Welcome back. Another One Ocean update. The boat that's sailing around the Americas. It's Marine Tech Mike, Skagit Valley College. And this week, we are pulling the engine out of this boat. We've already got the generator out. We're working on a bow thruster. Big deal is getting the engine out. And although the cockpit floor was removable for, 30 years ago, they thought ahead that we would need to pull the engine for some service, mostly the new transmission or transmission overhaul. But getting the thing, it was glued down significantly. You'll see in the video, it took a long time to get that cockpit floor. The whole pedestal had to be disconnected with the throttle and the shift and the steering and whatnot. But check out the video. It's what we do. We've got a forklift here at school with the big gen pole, come-alongs, all the tools. We had to fold the bimini back. But this week we got the engine out, which is a big step. So we're just about done tearing this boat apart. And then over the next 6 months, of course, we're going to put it back together and make it good as new or good as used. But we're going to make it good enough to go all the way around the Americas anyhow. So
yeah, all sorts of tools we got in one little spot. We're going to have to pull the entire insulation off of the bottom of that. It's got like cork with silicone. Obviously, they don't want the cockpit to leak. And the only way we're going to get that out is to take our little DeWalt here, a little vibrator saw, and cut all the way around that hatch before we can take it out of the way and get the engine off. So good times here, Marine Tech. Yeah, because this is epoxied on the bottom. Oh, it looks like for the cofferdam, right? Okay. So we're just running around the top here. And
okay. And then outside, it looks like this, right? This hatch sets inside something. So if I jam the blade in too far, I'm going to be cutting into
the hatch. Yep. Yeah. So we're just going to go into this cork gasket all the way around here.
It goes pretty easy then. I think I'm getting it.
I mean, right where that chisels, that's exactly where we're going in.
Yeah. It's I just slowly by slowly keep on jamming, so at least.
And then once we get it there, we can use some chisels or a pry bar, and eventually it's going to pop free.
Yeah.
We're in here. So Joshua, say hi. You're on YouTube's. And Kevin, you can't hide.
I can't.
I'm still working. All right.
Yeah.
So, well, back to the noise then.
All right.
That's right. 2 of those oscillating saws. It's coming out. All right, get on that thing and give it some twists. See if we can see some lift off.
I'll just put it one more inside.
Do you think coming back towards me would be bad? Do you think it would point load? Yeah.
I think I would go side to side if you can to start with. There you go.
Okay, side to side.
Side to side.
Yeah.
See if we can get any gap coming in there.
It was making that sound.
Oh, I see some daylight.
Oh, it's all good. We'll get it.
We'll never find that one again.
Do we have a couple of these?
I don't know.
Or we could just, we know that's pretty good. We want to just like jump over here?
No, I think you want to just keep working it. We need some more chisels or more pry bar. All right, team, what do you think about these wedges?
Oh, they're pretty much good enough.
It's the cat's meow.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, put this up here. One or two there, more.
Oh yeah, just keep going all the way around.
Yeah, he's got the whole side blocking up now.
We're gonna have to run the trimmer down that side again, I think.
All right.
But we're close. So, I mean, we got daylight all the way down that side and across the front here. So if we just hit this side, I think we'll be in good shape. That's right. This boat was built to come back apart, and we're taking it apart. It's the way it's fitting. Oh, yeah. Now go sideways if you can, yeah.
One more smack. Maybe 2. Yeah, very good.
Oh, listen to that.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Do that again. I want to get that from up here. Do that again. Oh, look at that movement.
There you go. You ready?
Oh, yeah.
It's already out.
Woohoo! Okay, part 2. Bimini's all out of the way. Sort of laid down. That's all we need. As soon as we get the cockpit floor and the engine out and stuff, we're gonna, you know, put it right back over to keep the rain out, because there'll be more work to do. The staircase used to be right here. Of course, now it's over here. Safety first. But yeah, let's go see what's happening down here. So we ran into trouble. This extension that we've used for every other engine lift was too short to get up over the coaming. So of course, boat owner Mark, like, I don't know, so Mr. Mark, what does everybody have one of these at their, because yesterday I said mine's too short.
Every sailor, farmer, wannabe should have one of these.
Just at their disposal.
And of course, you have to have a forklift that goes on the other end of it.
And a trailer and a truck.
Something.
But you got what we need to get that motor out.
Exactly.
I can't tell either. I'll let you know in a minute. Can't even tell which way it's going.
Yeah, it's going to say.
Okay, good.
Yes, it is.
All right, well, let's try that.
Yep. Oh, with that, I like
About
that.
there.
Oh, we got the hammer. Let's see. You guys ready? My question was, Art, do you think 3/4 ton come along is enough for this thing? It's not over 1,500 pounds, is it? No, I don't think it is. Okay, front's coming up.
Back is now just starting to come up.
So jiggle the back. Let's see how much, because the back is also on that dang exhaust hose. So we got to see if we
The
can.
back wants to come up. How's yours? Is yours?
Because I also don't want to break the water lift muffler. I'd rather cut the, I mean,
You know,
Got it.
well,
That's right. Give it a couple more cranks.
You have the clamps loose on the exhaust hose?
yep,
Ooh.
top and bottom.
What's that?
The front one's already out.
Yeah, my front is out.
Let's just chop it.
Let it healing begin.
You ever use one of those, Professor?
Where's the chopper?
Right here.
The hammer's got it. Let me see that camera. Don't mind me.
Orange one. Ah, so go with that lighting.
We got
It's gonna
natural
ruin-
lighting now.
It's gonna ruin the shot.
So, what can I do to help you and not get me? Right there?
Clear.
You got it?
Yeah, just this is the
Wait a
part
minute,
where
hold it a minute. You're on two hoses. There's a little hose here that you're on.
Good eye, Mark. Thank you. Thank you.
There's
You
that
only
one.
want to sacrifice
Out of the
one.
way, and my hand I think is mostly out of the way.
it wasn't hitting anything, right?
No, wasn't hitting anything. I got everything else.
We're going to Plan B.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah. Let me see if I can do you one better.
So far, you've got an hour of film of an exhaust hose.
And this is a record. This is a record. Not one curse word out of that man. That's why it's not moving. Mark's the one that says you. When the swear words start
magic
coming.
words.
Come on, Mark. Channel your inner Roy Kent. bleep, 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 bleep.
Back.
All students, please ignore it.
No, you are only setting yourself up for failure if you don't know how to put them words in a sentence.
That's another course
Yeah, separate course. English 401.
for voters.
We gotta move
It
that
looks
way.
like it's high on the forward edge.
I agree with you.
It's high up here.
Yeah.
There you go, Art. You're going the right way.
Actually, okay, here we go.
Okay, stand by, Matt.
Yeah, there you go. Now it's leveling off.
Oh yeah, we're going
That's
up.
for Christ's sake.
Okay.
Yeah,
beauty.
it
There
came
we go.
off. Woo woo.
There we go.
All right.
Up. Okay, Matt, let's come up.
Oops,
Do you have anything left to come up to?
Yeah, we got quite a bit on the forklift.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, easy.
Okay, what's this oil change I was doing?
They're coming with it because they're down in the bottom. We couldn't get at them.
Okay, they full of oil?
Probably. Those need to come up, Joshua, up top. They're supposed to be zip tied up. Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
Drive in is free, so we're just hanging in the hole now.
Nice surprise. Wow.
That'd be, if you could hold for a minute,
Hold.
I'd like to get out of my position because I can't go under the engine.
Okay, stand by. Go shut her off. We're gonna be close.
It's gonna be real cool.
I mean, I think we can do it, but we're gonna need a tape measure. That one. So
Oh, he's got
we
one.
can run this up another 2 foot.
And are you all the way up?
Yeah, but what I'm looking, so I mean, I knew this was gonna happen. I think we're gonna have to put some cribbing
And
fore and aft or something, and then get the come along out. But even then, is it gonna go?
I don't-
So it was super exciting to get the engine up that far, but then we had to, of course, re-rig it. So we were cutting and modifying a bunch of 4x4s and different pieces of cribbing. The hatch combing around the edge is super strong, and so setting a 775 pound engine down was not a big deal. But it took another 40 minutes or something that you don't see in this video to get that done right and to get the engine settled in to where we felt comfortable unhooking the come along setup there, and then bringing our pole down and shackling it super short, and then it was fine. We could lift it up and over that combing around the edge of the center cockpit, and so we did have success. So it was fun, lots of people around, but also a little stressful. Got to work slow and careful.
Okay.
There we go.
You gonna hang there?
Yeah.
And so we're gonna leave this guy on and just X out the thingamajig. So come on along.
We're really careful with this thing. Are we repositioning?
Maybe, just maybe. Okay, well, we got about 17 we need to come, so that should work.
Well, he can come down. That's all he can do.
We can also lift up.
Oh yeah.
But wait a minute. Let's get him down a little bit more.
Yeah, have him come down just a little because we can lift this
Down a
up.
little bit.
Quite the difference. Down a foot.
Come down about a foot. Keep going.
That'll probably. That's good. Let's get that right. Not quite.
Remember, these are adjustable.
Okay, let's see.
These are adjustable change.
Yeah, but lower the better. Take it over your stanchion. So we can leave this here. We want him down on the hard deck as best as possible. So
All right, another
let's
6
go.
inches
Yeah,
down.
another 4 inches down. He's good on the stanchion by my side.
Yeah, pretty good.
Hold her there.
Okay, okay. Here's the right on the boom.
Okay.
Good.
Keep going.
Keep coming.
Say something. You see something wrong.
Yep.
That's why I'm observing it. All right, Mike, you've got the load.
Let's go a little your way, I think, Art. Just bring your nose down a bit.
He's going to side shift.
Let's see. Yeah.
What do you think, Mr. Mark, Captain?
Well, I'm happy. This is the heart of one ocean. This is what gets us through the Northwest Passage. Not much wind there, lots of ice. If you don't get through, you stay a year. So the engine came out beautifully. It's now going to get all tidied up. It's going to get new parts. We're going to change a couple of things. We're going to make sure that we have spares. But the oil analysis for this engine was good. It has a lot of hours on it, but it's good for a lot more. The oil sample on the engine was good, not so good on the transmission. It needs to come off and be rebuilt so that it will be then virtually a remanufactured transmission. That's it. Thanks for watching.
Welcome to the Scallywags, located in the beautiful Pacific Northwest, where Skagit Valley College has been training technicians since 1968. If you are looking for industry certification and the skills to work in maritime, this is the place to visit. Our staff will share so much knowledge and experience, you will not be disappointed. The workforce demand is very high and all of our graduates are working around the world. If this sounds interesting to you, schedule a tour and come check us out.